Today, we're exploring the journey of Caleb Williams, the highly touted quarterback who was the #1 overall pick in the 2024 NFL Draft and currently plays for the Chicago Bears. Since his college days at USC, Williams has been a standout player, known for his dynamic style on the field. But off the field, his personal style, including painted nails, has made him a frequent subject of online speculation regarding his sexuality. So is Caleb Williams gay? Let's find out. Throughout his rise to NFL stardom, the conversation about Williams' personal life has often been overshadowed by rumors. Speculation has largely stemmed from his fashion choices and expressions of personal style, which some fans have anachronistically labeled anti-gay backlash. Reports of him coming out as gay or autosexual have circulated on social media pages known for satire and sports trolling and are not legitimate. The quarterback himself has not publicly addressed his sexuality in a definitive statement other than in the context of his dating life. As of now, Caleb Williams is not publicly out as gay and has, in fact, been in long-term relationships with women. He was notably in a high-profile relationship with his girlfriend, Alina Thiergod, throughout his final college year and into his rookie NFL season with the Bears. They made their public debut at the 2024 NFL Draft and celebrated their one-year anniversary in October 2024. The couple reportedly split sometime in the summer of 2025 as his second NFL season began, but neither has made an official statement regarding their breakup or the status of their current relationship. He has also been linked to other women in the past, including Valerie Orellana, whom he dated in high school. Is Caleb Williams gay? Caleb Williams has never publicly identified as anything other than heterosexual. He has maintained private, committed relationships with women and has consistently focused discussions on his professional life and performance on the field. While his unique personal style and painted nails continue to spark online conversation and speculation among some fans, these are expressions of his personal aesthetic and do not define his sexual orientation. Professionally, Williams is deep into his second NFL season, where he and the Chicago Bears are competing for a top playoff spot. His recent game stats show a player with a strong focus on the game. Off the field, he remains a prominent figure on social media, where he uses platforms like X, formerly Twitter, to connect with fans and post updates about his career, keeping most of his romantic life out of the spotlight to avoid intense media pressure. Caleb Williams continues to transform the narrative of what an NFL quarterback can be, prioritizing his authenticity, his team, and his own path. Thanks for reading. If you want more deep dives into your favorite sports stars and their journeys, don't forget to follow along for more updates.